Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today we are off-site. We're at a hotel in downtown Louisville, and we've got a group of distributors from all across the country taking part in our marketing summit. So today they're working with our marketing manager, David Fishburne, and the guy behind the camera is Matt. And we've had a special guest, and I think he's already left. But we had a guy with Marketing Squad, a company here in town that helps us do some of our content management. But all the distributors here, they are going to learn a little bit about social media, how to do some videos. They compare notes with each other and just how can they market their company a little bit better. So that's what we have today. And if everyone would like to say hello for the Mondays with Milt.
Hello.
All right. So that's what we have this week. We'll be back in another week or so with another episode of Mondays with Milt. Thank you.